Hi, my name is Respati Rafsanjani Nurwenda from Universitas Islam Indonesia. I will present to you about my research entitled Analysis of Halal Supply Chain at the Bakery Product MSMEs by using SCOR and HOR method. Nowadays, halal food is getting more and more popular, but a food product that is said to be halal cannot be based solely on its composition, such as not containing pork, dogs, carrion, and so on. To get halal certification, there needs to be a tracing from upstream to downstream, starting from the procurement of raw materials to products that reach consumers. In other words, the supply chain management of these products must have halal standards as well. Therefore, there is a need for halal supply chain management. Researches on halal supply chain management are rarely found, especially on MSMEs. This research was conducted in a bakery product MSME named Delila Pizza. This research will discuss the halal supply chain in the bakery product MSMEs. This research aims to study the activity of the supply chain in the production process of bakery products that might have a potential of contamination towards the product's halal aspect. Supply chain operation reference or SCOR and host of risk or HOR are methods applied in this research. The SCOR is used to identify the business processes of the MSME supply chain, and with HOR1 used to identify risk events and risk agents so that risk priorities can be determined to be repaired first. To obtain data, it begins with observation to get an overview of the supply chain flow, and with the help of a questionnaire based on the SCOR model to obtain business process from the supply chain. Then conducted interviews and discussion with MSMEs to identify risk events and risk agents. From the result of data processing, it can be seen that the supply chain flow starts from the procurement of raw materials in several raw material stores and then processed in the production house and then directly into the hands of consumers. And business process based on the SCOR model can be seen through the following table. The first one is raw material procurement planning, planning the doses of raw material use, selection of raw material suppliers, raw material checking, raw material storage, breadth order acceptance, production equipment cleaning and maintenance, measurement of bread dough per serving. From the process business, we have result of the calculation with HOR1 so that overall there are 90 risk events and 21 risk agents, but the possibilities that affect product halalness are 8 risk events and 8 risk agents. Based on the result of the discussion, it can be concluded that overall there are 90 risk events and 21 risk agents from the supply chain in MSME Delila Pizza. But there are only 8 risk events and 8 risk agents that have the potential for contamination to the halalness of their product. The 8 risk events are getting expired raw materials, poor quality raw materials, rotting raw materials, less clean storage environment, poorly maintained storage containers, and the 8 risk agents are choosing the wrong supplier or switching to another supplier due to running out of inventory, too long stored, many types of raw material purchased, forgot or missed to be cleaned, insufficient attention to the equipment used, does not use appropriate protective equipment when making dough, the display case is not provided with anti-ants, so that with these results, risk mitigation can be carried out by considering the ability of MSMEs. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.